Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 142nd day of the year, and there are 223 days remaining. We're going through this year pretty fast, aren't we? Too fast for me. Anyway, Wednesday, the 25th, is Cookie Monster's birthday, and I'm here today having a cookie with Cookie Monster. Awesome, huh? Oh, not supposed to talk with my mouth full. The teen department is having their DIY crafting on Monday, the 23rd, which is tomorrow, and they're going to do duct tape crafts. That ought to be fun. They have so many cool duct tapes now. Gosh, say that real fast, okay? And then on Thursday night, it's game night, and that's in the community room from 6 to 8, both of those. Okay, and now remember, we're closed Memorial Day and Sunday, the day before. So get all your stuff early or check out our online resources. Okay, I'm here at the new location of the Friendly Bookstore. The address is 1114 Poplar Place here in Rogers. So come check it out. Now I'm going to tell you about summer reading. Join me in the ocean. This year's summer reading program is Oceans of Possibilities, and the big kickoff is Saturday, June 4th from 1 to 4. Now, at 3:30, the Will Parker Music for Kids will be here. This program and the big kickoff is in person. I'm so excited that this year it gets to be in person. We have many programs this year for everybody, and many of them are in person, but there's still a few that are going to be online. So make sure you check out our calendar for all of the events, when, where, how, all that good stuff. Now, you can start signing up on Read Squared, and here's the link, and you can do that June 1st, and you can start logging, and there will be prizes for everybody. But some are weekly, some are due to points, whatever, but just come have fun. So happy reading this summer, everybody. See you soon.